Hey guys, what's going on? This is your boy Keo. Today we're going to take a look at the Arrma Outcast 8S BLX. Just brand new, came in, retails for $8.99. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it can do. Alright, so this is our first look at the brand new Arrma Outcast. This is a 1/5 scale truck. It's pretty much the same size as the X-Max in terms of size. So we're going to take a look at it. We have our center brace here. And a lot of the parts here on the truck look familiar. But the one thing that first that stands out to me is this right here. So if you guys haven't seen this before, this is a capacitor here on the receiver. So they have these here, but they added this here for additional 8S power. Now, I've seen a few 8S trucks, but I've never seen this added on here, so I guess this is really good for their voltage control. You get your standard EC5 connectors here. With this design format, it looks like they've moved the motor instead of it being directly behind the ESC. They moved it to the other side of the truck, so that's actually pretty nice design there. That way you have both of your batteries overlapped on each side, probably because of the weight. Comes with your standard accessories here. Look at the size of that pinion. That pinion is freaking huge. You get your radio here included with the unit. Definitely has good build quality. And down here, it looks like the power button's a little different. Typically, you have a switch that's on and off. So this one, you just press down on it. It also doesn't like it has a dirt protector on it as well. So that's one little small thing they changed. But overall, it's definitely a nice looking truck. I'm sure it could take some serious bashing. You got your front and rear diffs here. Like you have a center diff here with a full transmission. There's your body. Now the build quality and the wing here definitely looks different. Oh shoot, I didn't even notice that. So this comes with the wheelie bar right out of the box. And this is a high quality wheelie bar. If you notice on, I mean, you guys can't see it, but just playing around with these are some durable rubber on here. This isn't like your cheap wheelie bar that they place here on the back of the truck. This is some high quality stuff right here. In fact, I'd probably have to say these are better quality than what would come on the 18th or 16 scale trucks as far as the thickness of the rubber. So that's a nice little surprise right there. They included that little wheelie bar. In fact, it doesn't even look like a wheelie bar really. You can't really pull it up, and I'm not sure if this is adjustable or not because I have it here in the box. but it's right behind the wing, so it prevents it from getting scraped. So that's pretty nice they did that. And that's what I expect to see for a monster truck around this size, so you don't have to spend so much money adding upgrades to little, little basic stuff to kind of protect your car a little bit. Arrma really takes really good care of you. So you can see the quality of the bar in here. Alright, so the cool thing about this truck that I've noticed is that the receiver has a smart technology. You can connect it to your mobile device wirelessly via the Bluetooth and your DX3 smart transmitter. It's fully waterproof, ADAS capable. It also has an ESC temperature gauge on here as well. You have a receiver voltage. You got your drive pack voltage, motor RPM. So you can sync this directly to your phone, which is really phenomenal. This is stuff that I would have loved to have seen years ago, but I'm glad Arrma's definitely including this now. You get your standard 2.4 gigahertz Spectrum radio with the DX3 Smart DSMSR. The servo's waterproof. Okay, I thought it said the radio was waterproof. I was like, what in the world? So yeah, it has 528 ounces of torque. Metal gear servos, digital servos. ESC is definitely waterproofed. So that's a pretty neat feature that they have. You can sync this directly to your iPhone. You will need 4 AA batteries for your radio, and then of course they recommend 2 4S batteries here, 50C minimum. If you guys don't get 50C, you can experience problems where your batteries will start to puff if you use anything a lot lower than that. I've been a victim of that myself in the past. But overall, this is a great looking truck. And I just wanted to read off some of the specs here to you guys. If you guys haven't seen one yet. The radio is a little different in design. I'm not going to pull it out, but here is the radio that you will get and the receiver.
That one does big motor, has an extra battery.
So this is what it comes with. Let's take a look at the body. I know they. All right, so they added this here for extra support on the body. It definitely helps. Oh, see, here it is right here. Wheelie bar for maximum stunning. So that's what you're getting there here on the back end. I love how they give you this exploded parts views.
Hey, you remember I was telling you about that?
Let you know what's inside the truck.
This
is standard. This is pretty awesome here.
I understand, but the guy told me it was for an 8 scale.
No, we were talking about it when we saw it.
This thing's a monster. This thing alone, you can definitely take a beating. There's a lot of upgrades in here. So
I was coming here.
all in all, I give this car a 10 out of 10 if I had a ranking system.
That was the.
But this is a nice
that's
looking
the
truck.
exact one I was talking about.
Good thing you get it.
Yeah, I already know. See, but see, make a long story short, man. I tried to put this on and take this off, man, and then the shit, I knew I could get it.